You're not building followers, you're building trust. Every post you make is a tiny seed planted in someone's heart. You may not see it grow today, but when you show up consistently, your credibility takes root. Don't wait for the perfect lightning, the right words, or more confidence. Your, con- your audience needs your voice right now, not your perfection. So remember, one post won't build your business, but showing up daily with heart and purpose will. Whew. As a content creator, what is your biggest challenge? Let me know in the comments. I would like to know. We've got a free live webinar this week. If you want to check it out, let comment webinar and I will send you a free invite.